When we look at the traditional landscape of energy efficiency, there's always been sort of one path. How are you going to pay for it and get me a short payback and timeline? Saint-Gobain is one of the world's largest manufacturers of building materials and innovative solutions. We do roof shingles, drywall, insulation, siding. Energy and sustainability are core to what we do.
Saint-Gobain has a long-term vision of being carbon neutral by 2050.
Efficiency as a service changes the paradigm of how you can go about doing efficiency. Redaptive came in and immediately offered our sites an opportunity to do energy efficiency projects without having to deal with the hurdle of where do I get capital.
And allows you to get the full energy savings by sharing some of the financial savings with a third party. We also have lighting improvements, so better lighting, better safety because of that lighting. The Redaptive program has been very well received. We've had sites that have reached out wanting to know if they can be on the list to be evaluated. We've seen savings in lighting of anywhere from 50 to maybe upwards of 80%. And by partnering with Redaptive, we're able to get more projects moving. The Redaptive dashboard is great for monitoring the progress of these projects, energy savings as well as financial savings. I can pull up the progress on any of our sites from all over the country.
We've seen the benefits, right? We are saving energy, we're saving money.
They've been able to schedule around our production to make sure that we get the install done safely.
Every year we have the Wastewater and Energy Awards, or WWE. Last year, Bob was one of our winners just because of the tremendous amount of work that he did in pioneering this new relationship. Finding a partner in Redaptive to help us finance energy efficiency projects that we know are good for the long term, it was really great. Redaptive in our corner makes it possible to do these things that we couldn't do before.